Again, one thing that's really important, especially for your listeners to know, is that mushrooms are the cell walls are made out of this thick chitin that's like the shells of crab, and it's borderline impossible for our digestive tract to extract pretty much anything from that without it being processed somehow, i.e., being cooked or put into an extraction process like alcohol. So it's not only important to cook your mushrooms with you're eating them or boil your mushrooms if you're drinking them, but avoid eating them raw and avoid products that just grind the mushrooms up and encapsulate it. So that's not done too much these days now, but there's still a few products out there that are just selling you just capsulated mushroom, and it literally is just passing right through your digestive tract.